Welcome you all to Blessed Roadlink Electrical World. So this is one of our installation. This installation here, we have what we call the 20 kilowatts of lithium-ion battery. See what we have like 3 here. 3 of them is 60 kilowatts of load of battery power. Then we have 12 kVA inverter C-watt energy, and another 12 kVA here, which is making it 24 kVA. So we connect it in parallel connection that makes it the 12 kVA to the 24 kVA. Then here we have our MCCB controlling the inverters. Here is another MCCB controlling the inverter, and we have our bus bar. We have our AC input control box, and we have our PV input control box, and as well we have our auto fire off in case of